Buying a cheap luxury car looks like a cheat code, like you've beaten the system. A $100,000 machine for the price of a basic economy sedan. But that feeling doesn't last long, because here's the truth nobody tells you up front. A luxury car doesn't become cheap because it got better. It becomes cheap because it got dangerous to own. One small issue turns into a chain reaction. Air suspension failure, turbo failure, transmission hesitation, electrical systems glitching like a broken computer, and suddenly your dream car stops being a dream and starts feeling like a financial punishment. This is where most buyers lose. They buy the badge, not the engineering. They chase comfort, not long. And they don't realize one brutal fact. Most luxury cars were never designed to be cheap to maintain. They were designed for people who stopped caring about repair costs the moment they signed the check. But not all of them follow that rule. There exists a small, almost hidden category of luxury sedans that were built differently from the ground up. Not for hype, not for performance headline, not for marketing awards, but for one thing only: survival. These are the cars that don't collapse at 150,000 miles. They don't panic at 200,000 miles. They don't retire when things get difficult. They just keep going. Quietly, reliably, relentlessly. Some of them are still running strong past 300,000 miles today. And the shocking part? You can buy many of them for less than a used Toyota Corolla. Let that sink in. In the next 12 minutes, you're going to see something most dealerships don't want you to understand. Luxury sedans that mechanics actually respect, engines that refuse to die even when neglected, and one legendary car that completely destroys the myth that cheap luxury sec bad decision. But fair warning, this isn't just a list. This is a reality, because after this video, you won't look at used luxury cars the same way again. You'll either start buying smarter or stop buying wrong. Let's expose what's really going on under the hood. Number 7 is where most people make a mistake without even realizing it. Because this car doesn't look like a luxury sedan on paper, but in real life, it behaves like one. Meet the Toyota Avalon, the accidental luxury car of the used market. Here's the truth. Toyota didn't design this car to compete with BMW or Mercedes. They built it for comfort-first buyers who wanted Lexus-level smoothness without paying Lexus money. And somehow, they over-delivered. You get a whisper, quiet cabin, seats that feel like long-distance lounge chairs, suspension tuned for comfort, and a ride quality that feels far more expensive than the badge suggests. But comfort is not the real reason this car is on this list. The real story is under the hood. The Avalon runs Toyota's legendary 3.5L V6. No turbo, no hybrid complexity, no over-engineered performance tricks. Just a naturally aspirated engine built for one goal: keep running as long as oil. And that's exactly what it does. Mechanics see these engines crossing 200,000 miles like it's nothing. 250,000 miles is common. 300,000 miles is not rare anymore. This is the kind of engine that doesn't ask for attention. It just works, year after year. Now here's where the value gets ridiculous. A clean Toyota Avalon Limited from the late 2000s or early 2010s can still be found around $7, $0 to $9,000. Sometimes even less, depending on mileage. Think about that. You're getting full-size comfort, premium interior feel, and Toyota-level reliability for the price of a basic commuter car. But there's one mistake buyers make with this car. They ignore the transmission history. And that's the only real weak point you need to respect. If it was serviced properly, it will last almost forever. If it wasn't, no amount of engine reliability will save it. Simple rule: maintenance decides everything here. That's why mechanics quietly recommend this car to people who just want something stress-free. No drama, no constant repairs, no surprise breakdowns. Just a comfortable machine that keeps moving. But this is only the beginning, because the next car is where things start getting serious. A true driver's sedan that quietly embarrassed BMW in its own category, and most people still don't even realize it exists. Number 6 is where things stop being safe and boring and start getting interesting. Because this car was never trying to be invisible. It was trying to beat Germany at its own game. Meet the Acura TL. Honda's not-so-subtle answer to BMW and Mercedes sedans. When this car launched, the goal was simple: take the luxury sedan formula and fix the reliability problem. And somehow, they actually pulled it off. You get a driver-focused cockpit, solid build quality, premium sound systems that still hold up today, and a chassis that feels tight even after years. But the real reason this car matters is what's under the hood. The Acura TL runs Honda's 3.5L V6 engine. And this engine has a reputation that speaks for itself, not hype. History, this is one of those rare engines that mechanics trust without hesitation. No turbo lag, no complicated forced induction systems, just smooth, naturally aspirated power delivered the old school way. And that simplicity is exactly why it lasts. 200,000 miles is normal territory, 300,000 miles is absolutely achievable with basic maintenance. And unlike many European rivals, it doesn't fall apart when the mileage climbs. Now here's the reality check. A clean Acura TL can still be found between $6,000 and $10,000, which is ridiculous because most cars at this price point feel tired. This one still feels sharp, still feels premium, still feels alive. But smart buyers know something most people don't. This car is only as good as how it was treated. The main thing to check? Suspension wear, control arms, bushings, and steering feel. Not because it's weak, but because owners often drove it, and that tells you everything you need to know about its personality. This is not a fragile luxury car. This is a performance-minded sedan with long-term durability built in, and that's why it still holds respect today. But the next car takes a completely different approach. No sportiness, no aggression, just one mission: refuse to die. And what it achieved. Number 5 is where everything changes. Because this is not a modern luxury sedan and the way people think about luxury today. There's no aggressive styling, no complicated driving modes, no over-designed electronics trying to impress you. This car was built in a different era when durability mattered more than design awards. Meet the Lincoln Tech. And if you want proof of how tough it is, look at who actually used it. Taxi fleets, airport limos, police departments, commercial drivers who don't care about status, only survival. Because for them, a car is not a lifestyle, it's a tool. And tools need to work every single day. No excuses. Under the hood sits Ford's 4.6L V8. One of the most durable engines Ford ever produced. It's not fast by modern standards. It's not flashy, but it has one job, and it does it for decades. This engine is famous in fleet use because it just keeps running. No drama, no sudden failure patterns, just consistent, predictable longevity. 200,000 miles is expected. 300,000 miles is normal. Some go even beyond that with basic maintenance. That's real-world fleet abuse survival. Now here's the surprising part. You can still find these cars today for around $5,000 to $8,000, and in many cases, even cheaper. For a full-size luxury sedan experience, that's almost unbelievable. But there is one thing you absolutely must check. Rust. That is the only real enemy here. Not the engine, not the transmission, not the electronics. If the frame is clean, this car will outlast most modern vehicles on the road. But if rust is present, walk away immediately. No negotiation, no second chances. And that's what makes this car different. It doesn't try to be exciting. It doesn't try to be trendy. It doesn't try to impress anyone. It just refuses to die quietly. And that philosophy is exactly why it earned its place on this list. But now, things get more serious. Because next comes a car that blends Japanese engineering with real luxury ambition and quietly became one of the most underestimated sedans ever built. And almost nobody talks about it. Number 4 is where people get surprised. Because this car doesn't look like a secret reliability pick. It looks like a performance luxury sedan. And that's exactly what confuses most buyers. Meet the Infiniti M37. This car was Infiniti's direct attack on the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes E-Class. And on paper, it wasn't playing small. Strong performance, premium interior, advanced tech for its time. But here's the difference. It didn't rely on fragile complexity to achieve it. Under the hood is Nissan's 3.7L V6, a naturally aspirated engine known for one thing: durability under stress. No turbo systems pushing failure points higher. No overcomplicated setup. Just raw, reliable engineering that can handle high mileage when maintained properly. That's why many owners see 200,000 plus miles without major engine problems. Even higher is possible with proper servicing. But here's where smart buyers pay attention: the transmission behavior. If it's smooth and consistent, you're good. If it hesitates or jerks, walk away. Because while the engine is strong, condition still decides everything. Right now, clean M37 models can still be found between $7,000 and $10,000. And for that money, you're getting luxury, feels strong performance, and long-term reliability potential, a combination most German rivals can't match at this price. But this next car is even more underrated because it was never marketed properly in the first place. And that's why most people completely missed it. Number 3 is one of the most forgotten luxury sedans ever made. Not because it was bad, but because nobody paid attention to it. Meet the Acura RL. This car was never designed to look aggressive or flashy. It was built with one goal: quiet, long-term luxury without drama. And that's where Honda engineering quietly does its best work. Under the hood is a proven Honda V6 platform. No unnecessary complexity, no risky engineering experiments, just reliable power delivery designed to last. And that's why these cars still exist on the road today in solid condition. 200,000 miles is absolutely realistic. With proper care, even higher mileage isn't unusual. But here's the truth most people ignore. This car is not about excitement. It's about consistency. It starts, it drives, it stays comfortable, and it doesn't create problems every few months like many European rivals. Check service history. If it's maintained properly, it's one of the safest luxury buys under $10K. If it's neglected, it behaves like any other luxury car expensive to fix. That's the rule. No exceptions. And that's why it still deserves respect. Because while others chased attention, this car quietly focused on survival. But now we enter the top 2. And from here, everything changes. Because these two cars didn't just survive the market, they dominated it quietly for decades. Number 2 is where everything starts to feel unfair. Because this car doesn't just compete with German sedans, it quietly outlives them. Meet the Lexus GS 350. This is Lexus at its most balanced form. Not too soft, not too aggressive. Just perfectly engineered luxury with real-world durability. And under the hood, you already know what's coming. The legendary Toyota 3.5L V6. Naturally aspirated, proven, overbuilt for long-term use. No turbo stress, no complicated failure points waiting to explode at high mileage. Just clean, reliable. That's why GS 350 owners regularly see 200 to 300,000 miles without major engine drama. But what makes this car special is not just reliability, it's how it drives. It feels stable at high speed, confident in corners, and still comfortable on long highway journeys. And here's the shock. You can still find clean GS 350 models for around $8,000 to $10,000. A car that once competed with BMW 5 Series, now priced like a budget commuter. But it's still not number 1. Because the next car takes reliability and flips the entire luxury market upside down. This is it. The number 1 most reliable luxury sedan you can buy under $10,000. The Lexus ES 350. And if you ask mechanics what they would personally buy, this is the answer you hear again and again. Because the secret behind this car is simple. It's basically a Toyota Camry, but rebuilt into a luxury experience. Same core engineering philosophy, same proven reliability Dina, but refined into something far more comfortable and premium. Quiet cabin, smooth suspension, relaxed driving feel, and an engine that has already proven itself across millions of Toyota vehicles. The same 3.5L Toyota V6. Known for one thing above all, it refuses to quit when maintained properly. That's why ES 350s routinely cross 200,000 miles, and 300,000 miles is not a rare story anymore. It's expected behavior. And here's the real reason it wins this entire list. It doesn't just survive. It survives cheaply. Repairs are simpler. Parts are cheaper. And long-term ownership stress is lower than almost any other luxury sedan in this segment. For $8,000 to $10,000, you get luxury comfort without luxury headaches. That combination is almost impossible to beat. Now here's the truth most buyers learn too late. A $10,000 German luxury car is rarely a deal. It's a delayed expense. Complex electronics, turbocharged engines, air suspension systems, all designed for performance, not long-term survival. That's why they become cheap. Not because they are smart buys, but because they are expensive mistakes waiting to happen. So now you know. 7 luxury sedans that can realistically survive 300,000 miles without destroying your bank account. From the overlooked Avalon to the brutal durability of the town car to the unbeatable Lexus ES 350. One truth connects them all. Luxury doesn't have to mean financial pain. It only becomes expensive when you choose wrong. So the real question is simple. Which one would you trust for a 1,000-mile road trip? Comment below. And if you want more real car truths exposed, subscribe to Ride Exposed, because the next cheap luxury secret might not stay hidden for long.